guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ranaprava, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make a rose with embroidery thread. I have a pattern here. You can see I am going to turn this round shape into a beautiful embroidered rose, and if you want to know how I make this, then please keep watching. You can see it's almost done. So you can see I done with the very first rose, and how beautifully it turns out. Let me check the focus. Okay, now you can see, look, and the back side is like this. Front side is like this. Hi guys, I hope you love this video and you have find some helpful tips and tricks from this video. If you are, then please don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and also comment down below if you have any kind of questions regarding to embroidery. You can follow me on my social media. I will put every link in the description box below. Also, if you already have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel. It is totally free of cost, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can never miss out my any video. So that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.